పాదయాత్రలు చేసినంత మాత్రాన వైఎస్ఆర్ కి వారసులు కారని చెప్పారు ఏపీసీసీ చీఫ్ వైఎస్ షర్మిలారెడ్డి. జగన్ చంద్రబాబు కలిసి రాష్ట్ర అభివృద్ధిని భ్రష్టు పట్టించారని ఆరోపించారు. ఈ రోజు మోదీ పాలనలో పెట్రోల్, డీజిల్ ధరలు విపరీతంగా పెరుగుతున్నాయని ఆందోళన వ్యక్తం చేశారు. రాహుల్ గాంధీని ప్రధానిని చేయడం తన తండ్రి వైఎస్ రాజశేఖర రెడ్డి డ్రీమ్ అని చెప్పారు. వైఎస్ షర్మిలారెడ్డి నేతృత్వంలో వైసీపీ, టీడీపీతో పాటు ఇతర పార్టీల నుంచి కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీలో చేరారు నేతలు, కార్యకర్తలు. విభజన హామీలకు అన్యాయం జరుగుతుంటే చంద్రబాబు, జగన్ ఒక్క మాట కూడా బీజేపీని అడగడం లేదన్నారు.
While Dr. Manmohan Singh ji was the Prime Minister, when the crude oil prices went up, the Congress party then decided to not transfer the whole burden to the end consumers, because they knew that if petrol, diesel, gas, all these prices go up, then the prices of all the commodities are going to go up simultaneously. Therefore, they divided that loss three ways. One way, the government had to bear the burden, 1/3, and 1/3 the petroleum companies had to bear, and only 1/3 burden had to be borne by the end consumers, the people. But today, nothing like that is being done by the Modi government. Also, when petrol prices went down, the benefit was not transferred to the people. The government made sure the people did not benefit from it. But when the burden had to be borne, all the burden is being transferred to the people. How fair is this? This only makes clear the fact again that Mr. Modi and the BJP are not working for the people. They are working for people like Adani, Ambani, and for their own political mileage, and not for the people of India. Also in the state of Andhra Pradesh, today petrol and diesel prices are the highest in the country. The reason being the state taxes are levying huge amounts of VAT and cess on the people of Andhra Pradesh. Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, while Chief Minister, did the same, and Mr. Chandrababu Naidu now is continuing it. How fair is this? Why should the people of Andhra Pradesh be burdened so much? If you want any financial help, can't you get it from the center? The Andhra Pradesh is giving the strength of BJP, strength to BJP, TDP, Jansena. Actually, even YCP is supporting the BJP. When all the MPs are supporting the BJP from Andhra Pradesh, how come Andhra Pradesh is not benefiting financially, but in turn having to suffer at every turn?